the channel, everybody. Now, today is one of those days where I have to walk back some TA that I recently posted because Donnie T coming out here with a tweet and making the markets rally like crazy. What is this news? Well, as you can read here on the screen, he has raised the tariffs on China up to 125%. However, he also put a pause on some of the higher tariffs against other countries because apparently there are 75 other countries that basically try to negotiate with the U.S. And now for a 90-day pause, he is going to lower all of their tariffs down to 10%. So the tariffs are not gone. It's just now they're lower, and the high one is on China. Noted, China, that is like our largest trading partner, I believe, because all of our random goods come straight out of China or Taiwan or India or something like that. So we're going to see if they actually have the pricing power to pass this cost on to consumers or not. I know a lot of people think, oh, that's going to drive up inflation like crazy. I see the reports from Walmart, from Amazon, from Target, from all these different places, and people are just not able to afford all these random products. So I do think this 125% tariff is literally going to eat the margins away from the Chinese companies. So that might be a problem. Anyways, on top of that, there's also discussions from the Treasury guy running the Treasury. He basically saying he's considering delisting some of the Chinese stocks off of the U.S. stock exchange. So there's that. It's a whole debacle out here. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out Bitcoin because you know what? It is roaring to the upside. So we had this recent local downtrend. We have broken out of it. This is fantastic. We don't have to focus in on this downside move anymore. We can focus in on what level are they going to be using in order to pump this S. Anyways, right now on the short-term time frame, we're just looking for golden retraces. So we are coming up close to that 618 right here at 83,199. I'm going to be focusing in on that a lot. But if we do break, now this is actually a really, really big deal on the daily. If we happen to break out of this longer term downtrend, well now we're cooking. Because now we have the opportunity of sending this thing all the way up to the golden retrace of the highs. So we could be heading straight back up to 96,393 from where we're standing. If we happen to get that breakout, we could find ourselves going up 17 more percent. We are already up 7% on the day. This is absolutely insane. So the shorts right now are basically getting wrecked. Let's check out our liquidation heat map just to get an idea of what just transpired. Oh, would you look at that? There were, starting back here, 119 million got liquidated, and then you had, what is this, another 300 million got liquidated here. More shorts tried to jump in thinking it was a fake rally. They're all getting liquidated. There's a lot of liquidations happening, but the main one you want to focus in on is on the weekly, this block up here, because if we hit $85,300, not only are you taking out $240 million in shorts, you're also going to be taking out another $247 million on top of another $137 million. This would cause a nice little short squeeze, and these are the reasons why we could see Bitcoin rally straight on up to $96,393. If we continue going to the upside, because we would break a resistance, we could find ourselves back at $104,000. So a little bullish right now, little bullish toward the end of the month. This is shaping up to be a very interesting time. Another positive that we saw out of Bitcoin is the fact that we did have bullish divergence as we were falling down. What you're going to be looking for, if you don't feel comfortable with this rally, wait for a higher low. That higher low, wherever we get it, that is going to be your opportunity to jump in and enjoy the ride. Because
a larger structure, if the market does continue heating up and it gets real hot, we could find ourselves going all the way up to $146,000. But that's going to be much longer term. Much longer term. Of course, it's going to be after all this trade war nonsense calms down and there's more clarity. And honestly, the whole reason the markets have been selling off is because of a lack of clarity. Now, we have a little bit more clarity on top of being oversold. So the market, of course, is roaring to the upside because they have been freaking out where they could put their money. So, of course, I did post a couple other videos. Those might be completely irrelevant now because those were toward the downside. And now we have a fresh new news-driven catalyst. So there is a strong possibility all of those trade setups will be invalidated. So keep that in mind. And this is also why you should probably hit the subscribe button. Maybe you should come to a live stream sometime. You guys can get updates every single day that I go live. And noted, I go live every day. So you will get updated every single day. Anyways, guys, I'm going to get on out of here. Hopefully this didn't catch you too far off guard because we always operate with some tight stop losses. Risk management, people. Risk management. Anyways, I will catch you guys later. Hopefully, I will see you in the live stream tonight. We go live every single day around 7 to 7:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Join us. Make some gains while you're sleeping. It's kind of great. Anyways, I'm going to get on out of here. You guys take it easy. Keep those stop losses tight.